wanted to thank everybody who came and participated in the live Q&A. Was up yesterday. I think it was 2 hours long. You can go back and look. It's in the channel now. Lots of great questions asked. I gave as much info as I could about various topics that I was asked about. This video, got a set of wheels, some intercooler piping, and a bike frame are all going into this. Doing the wheels in Sunken Treasure. It's a badass color, so that's probably most of what this video will be about. Gonna start a new contest. I'm actually gonna start it this Wednesday, so 2 days from the day that this video comes out. So stay tuned for that. The discount code for high temp masking is still available. It's unknown20. Put that right here. So you can go over there and still get discount on your order. We did pick a winner for the drawing. It was I think it was PK UT Lisa, if I remember correctly, who I think submitted through email is how she got her entry. So I assume it's a she based on the name Lisa. So yeah, that we'll have a new contest coming up. I'm gonna give away 3 things at once on this next contest. So stay tuned for that. All the information for that will be up Wednesday. Enjoy. Working on a set of Focus RS wheels today, doing them in Sunken Treasure, as you maybe could guess by the title of this video. I'm gonna take you through that process. Same process kind of as always, which I guess is a little redundant at some point, but this is a super cool color, so I wanted to make sure that you guys got to take a look at it. These are going on a chameleon, like a satin chameleon wrapped Focus, so hopefully I'll be able to get some footage on the car as well. So let's get going. So this is them. Just gonna pull the TPMS sensors off real quick and get these valve stems out, get them over into chemical stripper. All right, got these things stripped down, got them sandblasted, outgassed, sandblasted again. Got all the curb rash taken care of. Got our Sunken Treasure loaded up. We're gonna be spraying this right about 5 PSI and I don't know, 40, 45 kV. As always, I'm gonna do the back first. And this color is actually a little deceiving. It's pretty dark when you first spray it, but ends up looking a lot cooler. And it almost looks black. I guess really at night this color almost looks black anyway. So it's not a big shock that it looks black when you first spray it, but this is like a black with has a ton of gold like pearl in it, not so much like a flake, because it's not very sparkly, but when light hits it, it definitely gets like a gold color. And then the only thing I've ever heard that people don't like, and some people do like about it, is it has like this hint of green in certain lighting, and it never looks green. It just has like a green like hue to it every once in a while. But I can't really explain what is. But it looks real good. Got the Hyper Smooth gun here, putting in work, getting all these tight areas that, you know, guns like the Eastwood gun claims that it can get with no issue, and obviously we've seen enough of the videos online to know that it is an issue. Just saw another ad for one of those on Facebook. So, talking about it's a pro level gun, which obviously it isn't. Battle sprayed. Spray the mounting area. I typically turn the air up a bit, just get a little bit bigger cloud from doing this area. Just want to make sure it gets full coverage and you're not worried about detail or build up anywhere necessarily. So get this thing all coated. This is the last one of these. Get them thrown in the oven and start the curing. Almost forgot the wet holes. Next up, got this bike frame. This is actually going to be going color I just ordered in. The guy was looking for, I think this one's called Mint Pearl, if I remember correctly. I'll put it up on the screen, but I actually like the color this frame is now, but it's not my bike, so it doesn't really matter what I like. So we'll get this thing thrown in the stripper and get going.
Listen closely, I'm not gonna shout. I've tried being humble, it's just not working out.